Brief us, what is it you learned in the morning session? Anyone? Open. Let me see.
Good afternoon, sir, and good afternoon, my dear friends. From morning, what we have learned and what sir has discussed with us is regarding the project management on how our India is moving backward. I mean, it is not utilizing its strengths to meet the current challenges when compared to Japan or China. And what is the performance of India? Project management, where we are, what is the position of India under the status of projects which are delayed and projects which are executed, and where we lack actually, how our neurons work holistically and separately, where is the current potential lying. And sir spoke about many things. I could only recollect these things. Thank you, sir.
You know what was the title of the talk? New dimensions in converting vision to reality through project management. So first comes the thought. Then organizations of that thought into ideas and plans. First thought gets converted into ideas and plans. Then transformation of those plans into reality is what you need to do. That's all what he spoke. You need to have a thought, convert into idea, convert into plan, implement it, and make it a reality. That's what he talked about it. The other thing he talked about is human resource management he touched upon. Teamwork. Teamwork is the ability to work together for a common vision. We need to have a common vision for which we all need to work. The ability to direct individual accomplishments towards project objectives, because all of us need to move towards project objectives. We can't work in different directions and different dimensions. It's not possible. It is a fuel that allows ordinary people to attain extraordinary results. ఆలోచన ఉండాలి, ఆచరణలో పెట్టగలగాలి, దానికి అనుభవాన్ని తోడిస్తే విజయం మీదే. ఆలోచన ఫస్ట్. That's where we talk about today, thinking skills. Thinking skills you need to focus. ఆలోచన సరిపోదు, ఆచరణలో పెట్టగలగాలి. Put into practice is what's important. He talked about vision, needs vision, there's no doubt about it, needs dreams, needs authenticity, needs trust. Both needs the commanding at flexible, direct at collaborative. Require consistent, two-way communication has to happen all the time, not just one-way communication. Don't make typical classrooms. If you want to make project management a success, you need to have a bidirectional communication, two-way communication. And he talked about emotional somewhere, emotional intelligence. Positive attitude in making a vision a reality. You must have that positive attitude to make that vision a reality. ఆశించండి, సాధించండి, శాసించండి, విజయం మీదే పండి. ఫస్ట్ వేర్ ఇస్ దట్ ఆశ? దానికి సాధన చేయము. సాధన చేయమురా నరుడా, సాధ్యము కానిది లేదురా. వేర్ ఇస్ దట్ హ్యాపెనింగ్? ఆశిస్తున్నాం కానీ సాధన చేయటం లేదు. సాధన చేసినప్పుడు శాసించగలుగుతారు మీరు. That's where the problem is. My dear young friends, start with a vision. That's what he talked about it. Stay with a missionary zeal, which you need to work, and work with a lot of passion, you need to do it. We all have vision, but vision without action is merely a daydream. Pagati kallalu antunnaru meerandaru. Where is action? Where is the sincere effort, serious effort? I come all the way here driving 50 kilometers to reach this place on a Saturday or Sunday to see that I give you some skills on employability, none of it turn up. Very sad state of affairs. Even last Saturday I was here, there were 8 students on the campus, only 2 forcibly I caught them and brought them here too. Look at. ఇదివరకు పాతకాలంలో గురువు వెనక వాళ్ళు పడేవారు శిష్యులు. అయ్యా మాకు పాఠాలు చెప్పండి. ఈరోజు మేము వచ్చి మీకు పాఠాలు చెప్తాను, మీరు పారిపోతున్నారు. Look at the attendance. That speaks volumes. Action without vision, it just passes time. You have action, but what is the vision you have? You're just passing the time. Vision with action can change the entire universe. You need to have vision with action combined. बचपन से बड़ा कोई स्कूल नहीं. बचपन में, when we were small kids, we all explore several things. We don't worry about somebody commenting on us. We don't worry about something breaking. We all done it. बचपन से बड़ा कोई स्कूल नहीं, curiosity से बड़ा कोई teacher नहीं. You need to have that curiosity to do things. Without the right people to execute, corporate vision is worthless. We talk about vision. It's worthless if you don't have the right people at the right time. Strategies are powerless. You may have strategists. Government of India brings out a lot of things, and shared values are corrupt. That's the problem which we have. You need to gauge the change. A lot of changes are happening. Engage yourself in the entire activity, and you need to manage the change. The only thing uncertain is what you need to focus it. The second part which is going to talk about is on risk management at the center stage of managing projects. Sir, for your kind information, I myself have conducted series of programs on project management with Wipro Technologies. In the 90s, where industry was evolving, IT industry was evolving, and to Satyam about 4 programs I had done it. As industry started growing, so I started losing manpower, and hence it became difficult. I could not continue that. Because retaining manpower was very, very difficult. Y2K boom has come, industry has taken away the entire. Otherwise, we were a 21-member IT team in IPE. That has come down to 1 member, the lone member. This is what reality is. They talk about software testing tools you talk about today. In 1993, we talked about software testing to the industry. We did a series of programs. You talk about software engineering. Those who are IT people, they understand. In 1995, we done a series of programs to IT industry. All this we have done it. But unfortunately, we could not because industry can pay much more certainly. And most of the colleagues I had is youngsters. Youngsters always get attracted to money and they're gone. That's how it has happened. Now, what is risk? Can anyone define? I want my young friends to respond, react. Come on, yeah. Uncertainty or possibility of loss. Give a round of applause here. At least that you can do it. Yeah, conjuse mat baniye. Applaud me. Come on. Risk is a chance of loss. Uncertainty or possibility of loss. Probability of an outcome different from the one you are expecting it. You all think the first company I sit through, I will get selected. But what happens? When your results are announced, then you realize what it is. Possibility of occurrence of an undesirable contingency, a condition in which loss exists. There is no business to be in business. There is no business to be in business without risk. Yes, you need to take a calculated risk. We all keep talking about try. Why don't you try? Try is a very small word that can make a big difference. If we try, we only risk a failure. But if we don't try, then we are ensuring failure is certain. So why don't you people try? Practice. There's one common question sir, we teach here 2 courses on risk management. One is on enterprise risk management, second paper, on financial risk management. We teach 2 papers here. My one of common question to these young boys and girls, tell me what are the basic steps in risk management? I'm yet to get the answer. Probably before I retire, I will get the answer, hopefully. Risk management steps involved is risk identification, risk analysis, risk quantification, risk prioritization, risk mitigation, risk minimization, risk transfer, risk retention, risk education, risk planning, and then you talk about overall risk management, which you need to talk about it. I'll give a very simple example and close. I'll hand over to Jain Saab. An aeroplane is always safe at ground. An aeroplane is always safe at ground, but it's not made for that. So always take some meaningful risks in life to achieve greater heights. Ships are always safe in harbor, but that's not where it's supposed to be. Maybe calculated risks are always good to take it. The best example I quote is Lord Shiva is a great risk taker. Lord Shiva is a great risk taker. That's where we say Neelakhanta. What happened? The poison which came out, he took it. He took a risk. And he could control and he stopped here and still he could survive. So he's a great risk taker, what we have. You need to look at it. I can keep on talking about it. Profit is the reward for risk. Good practice for effective risk management. Please acknowledge that risks are inevitable. Whatever the activity you take, risks are inevitable. Communicate risk openly. The act of discussion itself satisfies. Do not emphasize too much on quantification at the start. Do not look at cost-benefit analysis. You need to invest on this. For example, why did we put a fire extinguisher here? It's an investment you made. If something goes wrong suddenly, that's a major. So you have to invest. Prevention is better than cure. So you need to focus on that. With these few words, now I'd like to hand over the session to Jain sir. He is going to talk to us on risk management at the center stage of managing projects. Over to you, sir.
At the center stage of managing projects. Because projects do not go according to plan, because we have not taken into account risk. One of the reasons why projects don't go along with the plan is that we have not taken into account what can go wrong with the project. In planning, we have not considered what can go wrong with the projects. And they go wrong. Lack of planning. More uncertain future, you don't know future fully. Future is risky. You're climbing a bus, you may fall down if you are not careful. Anji? Influence of the other external factors, which is not your within your control. External risk, internal risk. RBI changes the interest rate. It's not in your control. It can affect your top line, bottom line. Something which is not in your control. So the risk is in every event. Risk is inbuilt into future. Risk and uncertainties. Because of uncertainties, there is a risk. If you do not do your homework now, you do not take your courses seriously now, there is a risk which you have to do firefighting just before the examination. And when you do firefighting, you have lost the game. You must change before it is necessary. When you change, when it is necessary, it is too late. So therefore, you should be able to predict. Prediction means looking at the risk elements. Prediction means looking at the risk elements. Risk normally is understood as negative. Risk can also be positive, windfall. Business risk is always positive or negative. You take risk to make money, or in that risk, you can also lose money. You have both opportunity and threat when you do a project in future. You have built up power stations, but there is not enough coal. You have to rely on imported coal. Imported coal is costly. Your cost of production will go up, and therefore your competitiveness will come down. State government, consumers may not pay that kind of money. So we will go through 1 hour, 10 minutes, 1 hour. It's a small workshop. It's a good thing that we have a small workshop. At least we can talk more informally. So risk management aligns shareholders. What I see as a risk, you may not see as a risk. It is like your Mountain Everest. Some people are at 1,000 feet high, some people are at 2,000 feet, 5,000, 10,000. Some people are at 15,000 high. They have climbed up to that. Some are 20,000, some are 25,000. Some people are very close to the peak, last leg. So what you see in your own perception is not what the others see. Because at 15,000, he can see a crow, black crow. Or he can see a lake, very pure lake. You may not be able to see at 1,000 feet. So what you see, you think that is reality. What you don't see is not possible. It is your limited understanding. Limited understanding. It is your lack of understanding. We should be open to others' view. They are seeing something different. It's like an elephant. Blind people touching different parts of elephant. And they are struggling, fighting. You stupid. Elephant is like a snake. It's, the tail is just like that. The person who's looking at the belly of the elephant, you are stupid. It is a drum. A leg. Both of you are stupid. I have found what the elephant is. It is like a column of a building I used to build when I was a mason. I became blind now. 3 people fighting each other because they are seeing from their perspective. But if you integrate them together, you may reshape the elephant. Project management is integration management. You are the components. You should all integrate. So risk management aligns shareholders. What does it mean? Shared vision and goal clarity. What do you want to do? What do you expect? What is this program? Something you will learn about risk management. It's not a 1-semester course. Now, this is a small program, but